Dr. J, my elbow hurts every time I do bicep curls. What should I do? If your elbow hurts while doing curls, you might be developing flexor tendinopathy, or lay terms, golfer's elbow. But I'm not a golfer. You sure I have that? Any pain that originates at the inside of the elbow can be called golfer's elbow. But the first exercise we can do is called an overcoming flexion isometric. Put your hand underneath any object like this and bring yourself into a bicep curl. Try to lift up an object that you can't lift, and this will help load up that area and make it feel better. Then we'll work on elbow supination and pronation range of motion. So if you have any limitations in supination range of motion, this can actually hurt the elbow as you're doing bicep curls. So make sure to encourage full supination. Do this one for about 10 to 12 reps. Lastly, we'll work on dumbbell wrist flexion. So you're going to strengthen and curl just with your wrist. Make sure that your entire forearm is supported by your thigh. That way you're not using as much bicep contraction. You want to strengthen the muscles, not just at the area of pain, but also below it as well. Wow, I feel better already. I'm so glad I'm following you, Dr. J. Thanks.